Hello, and welcome to my very first podcast. My name is Mr. Rivera, and I'm really excited because we are starting this new journey together. This podcast is for you. Don't worry if your English is not perfect. Today, we're going to talk about something very common: daily routines. Yes, what we do every day, like waking up, having breakfast, going to school, or work. Are you ready? Let's go. A routine is like a habit. For example, to take a shower, to check the email, anything. Simple things. But we do them again and again. What do you do every morning? When you wake up, you turn off the alarm, stretch or do some light exercise, make the bed, brush your teeth, wash your face, or take a shower, shave or apply skincare, get dressed, have breakfast, and drink water, coffee, tea, or use. Check the phone. This includes messages, news, and social media. Some people meditate or pray. Now, repeat after me. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I have breakfast. Good job. Now, listen to this story. Every morning, I wake up when my alarm rings. First, I stretch a little and make my bed. Then, I go to the bathroom to brush my teeth and wash my face. I also take a shower. After that, I get dressed. Next, I go to the kitchen. I usually drink a glass of water and prepare my breakfast. I often have coffee with toast and fruit. While I'm eating, I quickly check my phone to read my messages and the news. Finally, I look at my to do list to plan my day. If I have a little time, I also meditate for a few minutes. Once I finish all this, I am ready to start my day. Very simple, right? That's a daily routine. Let's move to the afternoon. Some common actions are: have lunch, take a short nap, go back to work or school, do homework or study, run errands, exercise or work out, spend time with friends or family, have a snack, check messages and emails. Repeat after me. I have lunch at 1 o'clock. I study English in the afternoon. I relax for a while before dinner. Good job! Now, listen to this story combining all the previous routines. In the afternoon, I usually have lunch with my family. After that, I sometimes take a short nap to rest a little. Then, I go back to work and finish my task. Later, when I get home, I usually do some exercise or run errands if necessary. Afterwards, I check my emails and messages. Sometimes I also have a snack and relax for a few minutes. Finally, I like to spend time with my family before preparing for the evening. These are some common activities people usually do in the evening: have dinner, watch TV or a movie, read a book, listen to music, go for a walk, do some chores. This includes watch the dishes, talk on the phone, and chat online, study or review lessons, go to bed. Repeat after me. I have dinner at 7 o'clock. I watch TV in the evening. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Great. Now, listen to this story combining all the previous routines. In the evening, I usually have dinner with my family. After that, we sometimes watch TV together or listen to music. Then, I usually help with the dishes and do a few chores. I often read a book or study English for a while. Sometimes, I also chat with my friends online. Finally, I try to relax before bed so that I can sleep well and be ready for the next day. Okay, now it's your turn. I will ask you some questions. Try to answer in your head or say the answer out loud. What time do you wake up? Do you brush your teeth in the morning? What do you do in the afternoon? What time do you go to bed? Great! Even short answers are good. Thank you so much for listening to my first podcast. I hope you enjoyed today's episode and learned something new. Remember, the best way to improve your English is to practice a little every day. As I always say, practice makes perfect. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. Thanks for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.